Let's set up the IQFeed connection in MultiCharts using the wizard. Select IQFeed from the drop-down menu. Enter your login and password. It's best to copy and paste them to avoid typos. Click Next. IQFeed is supported as a data source only, not as a broker. However, if you have a broker account, you can set it up now and map IQFeed symbols to your broker's symbols for trading. We'll link our symbol mapping guide below for reference. For this tutorial, we'll select MultiCharts Paper Trader as the broker. Since IQFeed requires their client software to establish a connection, MultiCharts will prompt you to install it if it's not already installed. The installer comes with MultiCharts for your convenience. And you're all set. Here's a sample workspace to help you get started. You're now ready to enjoy using MultiCharts with IQFeed.